Most people don't become rich due to a combination of factors, including a lack of financial education, poor money habits, and a fear of taking risks. Many rely solely on their salaries, fail to invest wisely, or live paycheck to paycheck without building assets or diversifying income streams. Comfort with mediocrity, debt, and limited opportunities also hinder wealth building. Additionally, a scarcity mindset, inconsistent effort can prevent long-term success. Achieving wealth often requires taking calculated risks, long-term vision, and discipline, qualities that many lack due to societal pressures, financial limitations, or simply not understanding how to manage and grow money effectively. Lack of financial education. Lack of financial education is a major reason why most people don't become rich. Schools often don't teach practical money management skills, such as budgeting, saving, investing, or understanding concepts like compound interest. As a result, many individuals grow up without knowing how to make their money work for them, leading to poor financial decisions. Without knowledge of wealth-building strategies like investing in stocks, real estate, or creating passive income streams, it's difficult to accumulate substantial wealth. This lack of education leaves people ill-prepared to build and manage their finances effectively over the long term. Living beyond their means. Many people fall into the trap of spending more than they earn, often due to lifestyle inflation, poor spending habits, or a lack of effective budgeting. Lifestyle inflation occurs when individuals increase their expenses as their income grows, choosing to upgrade their lifestyles rather than save or invest the extra earnings. Poor spending habits, such as impulse buying, prioritizing wants over needs, or falling for marketing tactics, further contribute to financial strain. Additionally, without a clear understanding of their income and expenses, many fail to budget effectively, making it easy to overspend. To sustain this unsustainable lifestyle, people often rely on credit cards, loans, or other forms of debt. While these options may provide short-term relief, they frequently lead to high interest payments and ongoing financial stress, creating a difficult cycle to escape. Fear of risk. Many people shy away from taking risks, such as investing in the stock market, starting a business, or exploring opportunities in real estate. This hesitation is often rooted in a deep-seated fear of failure or the possibility of losing money. The uncertainty associated with these ventures can feel overwhelming, leading individuals to choose safer, more familiar paths that seem less likely to result in loss. While this cautious approach may protect against immediate setbacks, it can also prevent people from seizing opportunities that could lead to significant financial growth or personal achievement. Over time, the reluctance to embrace calculated risks often results in missed chances to build wealth or pursue fulfilling ventures. Short-term thinking and instant gratification. Many people prioritize immediate pleasures, such as shopping sprees, lavish vacations, or dining out, over planning for their financial future. This focus on instant gratification often comes at the expense of long-term goals like saving, investing, or building wealth. The unwillingness to delay gratification leads to missed opportunities for compounding growth and financial stability. While these short-term indulgences provide temporary satisfaction, they can hinder progress toward creating a secure and prosperous future. Poor money habits and procrastination. Many people struggle with not saving or investing regularly, often due to a lack of discipline or financial planning. This issue is further exacerbated by procrastination, as individuals delay critical decisions like creating a budget, building an emergency fund, or starting a retirement account. By putting off these essential steps, they miss opportunities for growth and the benefits of compound interest, making it harder to achieve long-term financial security. Over time, this habit of avoidance can lead to increased financial stress and a more uncertain future. Limited access to financial networks and resources. A lack of access to financial networks, mentors, or opportunities often hinders wealth building for many individuals. Growing up in environments where financial knowledge, tools, and resources are scarce can create significant barriers to economic success. Without guidance from experienced mentors or exposure to wealth-building strategies such as investing, entrepreneurship, or real estate, it becomes challenging to navigate complex financial systems. This lack of support often perpetuates a cycle of limited opportunities, making it harder for individuals to break free from financial constraints and achieve long-term stability. Mindset barriers and limiting beliefs. Many people struggle with limiting beliefs about wealth, such as thinking it is only attainable for the lucky or the elite. These perceptions can lead to feelings of resignation or a lack of motivation to pursue financial growth. Additionally, some view money as inherently bad or associate wealth building with greed, often driven by societal or cultural narratives. Fear of judgment from others or the desire to avoid being seen as materialistic can further discourage efforts to achieve financial success. These mindset barriers not only hinder personal growth, but also prevent individuals from realizing that wealth can be a tool for positive impact and greater security.